All right, what you're going to do is you're going to take your two ends of your ribbon, and I like to put the right piece in front, and then you're going to take it back behind. Now, if your ribbon's like mine, it's got like a good side and, a bad side, when I tuck it behind, I turn it so that the good side is facing up, just like this. And you know what? This end right here is the one that I just keep a little bit shorter than this end here. So I'm just going to kind of pull a little bit more. All right. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my finger and hold that tie right there. Fold this piece, hold it with my left hand, and here is the trick. This side, I'm going to go in front and then tuck it back here, pull it through, and you'll have to do just like a little bit of adjusting to make sure, like I said, I've got the ribbon where there's a good and a bad side, so you'll just have to make sure that the good side is showing. Adjust it like that. Pull these through, make sure it looks beautiful. And then grab a pair of scissors. What I like to do is I like to finish off the ends to give it a really nice look. So I'm going to take this end of the ribbon and I'm going to fold it in half. And then from the open end, I'm going to take it and just give it a nice angle. Like that. And same thing with the other end. And this is where, just in case one end was longer than the other, I really try to, match it up and make them the same length at this point. Give that a nice angle as well. And there you have it, the perfect bow.